macOS has a really cool feature called Spaces, and each space is an independent desktop that has a separate wallpaper, separate windows, and separate layout that you can switch between instantly. So if you have apps full screen, then you can change between these spaces without having to close or minimize anything. And this is really cool because you can keep space 1 open with your work things and then keep space 2 with personal browsing, or keep space 3 open with your communication apps or your email, so you can quickly swipe or use shortcuts to get back and forth between them. There's a couple of different ways you can set up multiple spaces. And the easiest way to get a second space is just to take any application and press the green button on it to full screen it. And now you can use the trackpad shortcut of using 3 fingers to swipe back and forth between multiple spaces. The next way that I really like to set workspaces up is by using mission control. And there's a couple ways you can get to mission control. The easiest is to swipe up with 3 fingers on your trackpad, which will show you all your applications that are open and show you all the different spaces that are open. So right now we can see I've got desktop and I've got that full screen notes. If we want to start a new space up, we can actually just click this plus, or the other thing you can do is you can take one of your open applications, drag it here, and now we'll have another space open. So now you can see these 3 spaces, go back and forth between them, and you can go change with the mission control just by swiping up. You can also hit F3 to access mission control, or if you got a magic mouse, just double tap with 2 fingers. That'll open it as well. So you can make those new workspaces either by pressing plus or just by dragging the application over there, and then it'll set up the new space. Depending on your preference, there's also a couple different ways that you can swap back and forth between spaces. My favorite way to navigate between the spaces is by using 3 fingers to swipe with the trackpad. You can also reorder them just by going back to mission control and then dragging them to the position you want. And another cool way you can go back and forth between spaces is by pressing control and the arrow key, and that'll quickly go back and forth between your spaces. Also with spaces, you can choose, if you want, you can make the application full screen, or you can also use it in the windowed view just like this. If you're just using a single screen, it's really easy to move a window between spaces just by clicking the window and then dragging it on the side. It'll slide over to the next space. If you got multiple monitors, this doesn't always work right, and I recommend using mission control as your way to put them in the different spaces. One other thing you can do is right click in the dock, go to options, and then you can do assign to, and pick which spaces you want. So you can either assign it to a specific one, or you can make it on all the spaces as well, which can be useful if you want to have your Apple Music open on every single space that you've currently got set up. The fastest way to get an application in its own space is if you just full screen it, because that'll automatically create a new space for it. And if you want, you can just hover over in the top left, the green button should come up and you can click exit full screen and it'll go back to the space it was just on. If you're looking for a visual way to distinguish which space you're in, you can set each space up with its own wallpaper, which is a really nice visual cue. To do this, just right click and hit change wallpaper. It's really important that you make sure you uncheck show on all spaces. That way it only changes the wallpaper on the space you're currently on. So right now I'm going to change this one to the Macintosh wallpaper. I'm going to make this one blue just as a way to make it stand out a little bit more. So now whenever we go back to mission control and we see the different spaces, we can see I've got the Tahoe wallpaper on desktop 3. And I've got this Macintosh wallpaper on desktop 2. So as I'm swiping through, it's just another visual reminder of which space I'm currently in. A couple more tips for a great spaces setup. I recommend just keep it to 3 or 4 spaces max, because if you get more than that, it makes it harder to navigate. You can also do something like having your work apps open on your first space, browser/research on the second, communication on the third, and then anything personal on the last one. I also don't recommend putting everything on space 1, because that defeats the whole purpose of using multiple spaces. Another thing you can do with spaces is use the tiling shortcuts or use split view to open up multiple applications in a space to really do a great job at organizing them. I like tiling. You can press function control left. That'll put something on the left side of the screen, and then function control right will put it on the right side of the screen. And if you hold shift down, then it'll actually swap the applications back and forth too. And this just makes another great way of organizing your windows in the space you've currently got open. So there's everything you need to know about using spaces on your Mac. They've been here for a while. Now you know they're there and you know how to use them. It takes a couple minutes to get used to, and as soon as you figure this out, it's going to change how you work permanently. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more Mac tips and tech reviews.